Good afternoon.
Alexa.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Listening to a playlist and like what you're hearing?
Hi.
Find out what's playing by asking me, who is this? I'll tell you the name of the song, artist, and album.
Alexa, when is your birthday?
My birthday is November 6th, 2014.
What?
Oh, maybe that's the date that it was out.
November 6th?
We just got home. We went to Costco for last minute Thanksgiving shopping.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean Costco?
I'm not Costco. I'm sorry. Walmart.
Walmart.
Yeah, I have to buy this because I don't have this, and I'm planning to make monkey bread tomorrow. Yes, Regina taught me how to make this. So Regina, if you're watching, thank you. I'm gonna make monkey bread tomorrow.
And I'm super excited. Not super excited. I'm so happy because my Dancember shirt arrived! Alright! Parang si Benji lang. But Ode, I don't know what happened to her order. But mine like just arrived. Can you like...
No, I ordered it the same time as you. Like, honestly, I ordered the shirt first.
Just hold the camera because I want to show them. December.
Tell them about what is Dancember.
So Dancember is...
It's an annual fundraising hosted by Benji and Judy Travis. I believe this year they are trying to donate for Convoy of Hope. We donated and they gave us, he gave him a t-shirt. I ordered mine the same time as him. I actually ordered mine first and his came in.
This is small, by the way. Because I'm small.
So,
if you don't know what is Dancember, I'll just put the link down in the description box or right here. And I was really touched when I saw the video of Judy. You know, they went to the Philippines, I think somewhere in Iloilo, and then they feed children. That's awesome. I mean, like, if I have lots of viewers, I'll do that same. The most important thing in this vlog is my order right there, Amazon Prime. So I order a ring light. So if you don't know that, you will find out this next clip. Bye. That's it! Wow! Wow! Hey guys! So welcome to my makeup tutorial. And I'm going to use a brush. Hi guys, so this is just a test for our new ring light by Neewer. It is a 18-inch diameter ring light. So this is, this is what you see if there's no light. But if I put light, the camera will adjust at the same time. Alright, so this is how it looks like if there's a ring light. I could see my pimples. I could do makeup here now.
Yuck!
Can you pass me the paintbrush?
Paintbrush?
So, this is the ring light. Introducing ring light.
Hi! Oh my gosh, it's really bright.
I know, right?
What if you turn it off?
No, the camera will adjust like...
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So, it is dark. Let the light begin. So the camera adjusts itself. It focus. It give the auto balance.
Oh, nice.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
How much is it?
We bought it for 129 or 149.
Yeah,
I think
expensive.
it's 149. Yeah, but it's worth it because it has a stand. and it has the ring light, and
But-
it has that thing that holds the camera, so you don't, you know, like, because the other one doesn't come with. I'm sorry, I still have my gloves on.
This cover is from It's untuned, guys. The reflection of the thing right here, so awesome. That's how it looks like, the ring light, guys. 18 inches diameter ring light, and has a tripod, which is good. I have a tripod over there, but this is good for the ring light itself. So that's the brand right there, Neewer. Share my accessories right there. This is my new purchase, slopes for GoPro 5, even 4, compatible 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. And that's how it looks like. This one is attachment from this guy right here, so you could bend the camera or the ring light. So if you do like over top unboxing, you could do it. I guess I'm right, but I don't think so. And this one right here is a cover for the ring to protect the bulb inside. This one I put already. Just so here you go. It's your time to shine. Ode time!
Smells good. So I just got done cooking, and let me show you the finished product. I'm proud to present to you my work of art. I'm proud to present to you the chicken dinner roll by Miss Ode. Dun, 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 dun. This is it. Chicken, French fries, cantaloupe. It's my dipping sauce. Ketchup, mayo, ranch. What can you say?
I would like to say thank you for my sponsors, like the Dancember t-shirt. Thank you. Please support. I'll just put the link down below. I'm just kidding. They don't sponsor me. I donated. But if you guys have like extra cash, please do so. It's for a good cause. Parang pupus lang.
That's your dinner, bruh.
It's like snacks.
This is it. No rice.
I can live without this. I mean without rice.
Is it good?
Still hot though. But it's good. Thank you.
Tissue? Oh,
Napkin.
sorry. I wasn't ready, yeah? Okay. Sorry.
Oh, I get it. Bye.
Alright, so talk to you guys later. I'm going to eat now. And thanks for watching our vlogs. We appreciate it big time. Bye. Good night.